Hello everyone, I am Vilasha and I am from Team Annexes, which is Alumni Relation Committee of MDI Murshidabad. We will show you that how to register yourself from Alumni portal of MDI Murshidabad. Also, we will explain you the features and the benefits of this portal. So let's start. First of all, you have to visit Alumni corner of MDI Murshidabad's website, where you have to register yourself either by importing your existing profile or by signing up with the email. So here is the dashboard where you can start discussion and see what everyone else is posting. As you can see, there are already many posts uploaded on this portal like Alumni Talk, Alumni Dinner Meet. So next one is job board where you can search for jobs as per your location. For example, Hyderabad. So these are the jobs available in Hyderabad location. Now you can also search for job as per your skill. For example, HTML. So these are the jobs demanding HTML as a skill. You can also search jobs as per your companies. For example, Johnson & Johnson. So these are the jobs vacancies available in Johnson & Johnson. Moving forward towards Members tab, where you can find other alumni by just typing their name. Now, let's search for Aman. So these are the alumni with the name as Aman. You can also search alumni by their location. As you can see in the world map, more specifically in India, there are 77 alumni currently working in Kolkata. You can see the list on the right hand side. You can also search alumni as per their company. For example, ICICI Bank. Here you can see the list of alumni working in ICICI Bank. You can also search as per roles, skills and industry. And in group tab, you can join group of your interest and meet like-minded people. Here you can also find different chapters like Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. Now we are moving towards business directory. So here you can list your business on this portal. In newsroom and events tab, you can get all the news and updates about the upcoming events like alumni meets, webinars, dinners and all the upcoming events. You can also get this benefit by mobile application and download the same either by scanning the QR code or by downloading it from App Store or Google Play Store. That's it from my side. Thank you.